Looking for the best heat guns? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 heat guns on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Genesis Dual Temperature Heat Gun Kit. Generates 1500 watts on the highest setting. Nozzle attachments are better quality than expected in this price range. Precise directional nozzle is a big help with tasks from paint removal to shaping plastic. Offers consistently high temperatures and good control for detailed work. Its lifespan can be fairly short, but for occasional tasks, users are happy with this unit. At number 2. Black & Decker Dual Temperature Heat Gun. Lower temperature works well for shrink wrapping and shaping plastic. Kickstand rest and hanging attachment are appreciated. A long-lived design. It delivers the impressive performance levels demanded by professional users. This product stands out for its long life expectancy and comfortable handling. Power cord is somewhat stiff, making it harder to move gun around in tight spots. At number 1. Porter Cable 1500 watt heat gun. Good ergonomics and reliable performance. The flat back acts as an upright stand to keep the hot nozzle away from surfaces. Operates fairly quietly. Variable settings in addition to low or high settings. Lightweight with a long power cord. Lightweight, easy to use, and reliable. Hobbyists and auto tint installers will love this model. Many users would prefer a kickstand rest. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.